The South Korean firm Terra Labs was founded in 2018 by Daniel Shin and Kwon, who is now the company's CEO. Kwon is a 29-year-old former Microsoft employee. Shin now heads the Chai online payment service, a Terra partner. Kwon said many Koreans have used the Chai service to buy goods like movie tickets using Terra cryptocurrency. Before watching the full video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications. Terra is a blockchain project developed by Terra Labs that powers the startup's cryptocurrencies and financial apps. These cryptocurrencies include the Terra U dollar, or USD, that is pegged to the US dollar through an algorithm. Terra is a stablecoin that is intended to reduce the volatility endemic to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Some stablecoins, like Tether, are pegged to more conventional currencies like the US dollar through cash and cash equivalents as opposed to an algorithm and associated reserve token. To mint new USD tokens, a percentage of another digital token and reserve asset, Luna, is burned. If the demand for USD rises with more people using the currency, more Luna will be automatically burned and diverted to a community pool. That balancing act is supposed to help stabilize the price. To a degree, Luna directly benefits from the economic growth of the Terra economy, and it suffers from contractions of the Terra coin, Terra Labs CEO Do Kwon said. Each time someone buys something like an ice cream using USD, the transaction generates a fee, similar to a credit card transaction. That fee is then distributed to people who own Luna tokens, similar to a stock dividend. With cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ether, and Dogecoin gyrating in value over the past few months, many people are looking at so-called stablecoins like Terra to invest in because of their more predictable prices. Terra Labs, which oversees the Terra cryptocurrency project, has benefited from its rising popularity. The company said Friday that investors like Arrington Capital, Lightspeed Venture Partners, and Pandora Capital have pledged $150 million to help it incubate various crypto projects that are connected to Terra. Terra Labs and its partners have built apps that operate on the company's blockchain technology that helps keep a permanent and shared record of the firm's crypto-related financial transactions. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications about crypto-related videos.